Welcome to the Explainer. Today we're unpacking how modern attackers totally bypass SIEMs and how defenders hit back.
So, why do standard security systems completely miss today's advanced attacks? It's literally the million-dollar question for SOCs. Attackers exploit known blind spots. They know traditional SIEMs get completely paralyzed by static signatures and massive alert fatigue. First up, hiding in plain sight. Attackers sneak right in by weaponizing the legitimate tools you already trust. They use what we call LOL bins. Basically, they live off the land by actively abusing trusted Windows binaries. Noisy malware? Forget it. They use built-in stuff like PowerShell to seamlessly blend right into everyday background operations. To catch them, SOCs have got to pivot from static indicators to deep behavioral analysis, like script block logging. Attackers are sneaky, though. They'll scramble and encode their scripts to intentionally blind your endpoint defenses completely. Next up, erasing the evidence. Once they're inside, their next critical move is destroying that forensic trail. They'll clear Windows event logs or just disable your forwarding agents entirely to create total dead silence. But here's the kicker. Deleting that security log always triggers an unerasable event ID 1102. Gotcha. Finally, sneaking out the back door. Now they need to exfiltrate data and establish covert command and control channels. Take DNS tunneling, for instance. They secretly encode your stolen data into long, super complex DNS requests. You spot these hidden tunnels by hunting for statistical anomalies, like high randomness or weird Shannon entropy scores. Or they hide in encrypted C2 channels, spoofing standard browser JA3 fingerprints to perfectly mimic everyday web traffic. To unmask this, an advanced SOC hunts for rare JA3 hashes in those automated periodic beaconing intervals. Which brings us to the ultimate rule. You must assume every single security layer will eventually fail. One alert isn't enough anymore. You've got to correlate behavioral analytics across both your network and endpoint layers. So a SIEM alone won't stop modern attackers, but a mature, layered SOC absolutely will. Is yours ready?